Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can allow your users to add their signatures to your form? Let me show you how. So here we have a sample form. It's a consent form for an event. Name field, a toggle bar, a checkbox, and the signature. So here I can add my name as Archie. I agree to participate in the event, and let's just say I'm putting my signature now and click submit. Your users can submit their signatures. So the signatures would go to your database, their signatures using your form. This is how it would look like. So you'll see here the name, the agreement, and the signature directly to your Notion database. NoteForms is a form builder that integrates primarily with Notion. Notion has its built-in form, which is great, easy to use, straightforward. Built-in form within Notion that is straightforward and will offer you basic features. However, it doesn't have advanced features such as the signature input field, which is going to be very helpful, especially in cases where you would need to create forms such as legal contracts, job offer form, or a consent form, as an example that we've shown earlier. So now let me show you how to add a signature input field into your forms. First, let's create a new form and let's start from scratch. Let's say we don't have a Notion database. So here we have an option to use the AI form builder, but we can skip this step. So we already have the basic fields, the name, the email, and a message. All you need to do is click add block, and then here on the right side, select file input field, and under file uploads on the right side, we have the option to toggle use a signature. As easy as that, you already have your signature input field. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thank you so much for taking NoteForms.